now going to go through how to find the angle of reflection and the angle of incidence using optical pins. So we have our equipment here, the mirror, 4 optical pins and a piece of paper. On the piece of paper, I've just drawn a straight line here. That's the line that the mirror is going to be placed along. The first 2 pins describe the incident ray, so the ray going towards the mirror. And we place those here, like this. Now, if we look directly at the mirror, we can see that there are reflections in the mirror. There's one reflection behind it. That's the reflections of these 2 pins. You need to line your eyes up, so you need to look at that mirror so that these images line up. If I turn the board this way, you can see they're going further away from each other. If I turn it this way, there is a stage where the images line up, and that is right there. I'll do that again so that you can see it hopefully without my hand in the way. The images are moving apart from each other, and now they're lined up. You need to place your 3rd pin so that it blocks out or obscures that image. So your 3rd pin needs to totally obscure the image, needs to go there. The 4th pin then needs to obscure both the images and that pin that you've just placed. So that needs to go here. At this stage we've finished with looking in the mirror, and we can start drawing some lines. Okay, now we can remove the mirror and the 4 pins. We can use the holes that they've made in the paper to draw our lines. Using a ruler then, we can draw our incident ray. That's the ray going towards the mirror. And we can draw our reflected ray, the ray going away from the mirror. Now we need to add a normal line onto our drawing. So the normal line is the line that is at 90 degrees to the surface of the mirror, and that starts at the point that that the rays hit the mirror. There is our normal line. The last thing to do then is to measure both of the angles. So the angle I and the angle R. The angle I, 10, 20, 30, 5 degrees. The angle R, 10, 20, 30, 5 degrees. So the angles are the same.